Hello and welcome to Datasar. Today I'm going to show you how to change the order of your website pages at connect.datasar.com. So let's go to datasar.com. We're going to log into our account, get our username and our password. Okay, that's going to take us to dashboard on the main menu. We're going to get rid of that. Let's go full screen. And to change the order of your pages or to work on your website, you click on the website button. And we're going to click on Pages. But first, real quick, let's tab over to our AAA Outdoor Scenes website. Okay, so here are the pages on our top menu. We have Home, Pastures, Picture Gallery, Products. So Home plus the 3 Ps. And then down below on our bottom menu, we just have Home and Contact Us. So let's go back over to Connect. And again, we are on Dashboard. We clicked on Website. Now we're going to click on Pages. And to change the order of your pages, it's quite simple. Here are the pages right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and move our blog up here. And what I'm doing is I'm just holding down on the left cursor on my mouse and then sliding up. So hiking will move under blog. And let's see here, products, we'll go ahead and move that. No, not products. Let's go with benefits. We'll move that under hiking. And about, let's move that under benefits. Okay, and then also to adjust from top menu to bottom menu, you just slide it down. So we have the book appointment. We're going to go ahead and move that down to our bottom menu. So now our bottom menu has 3, and our top menu has those that we just adjusted. If you want something on both your top and your bottom menu, you can just go to edit it and then make sure you have top and bottom checked. Let's go back to pages here. So let's go ahead and go back to our AAA webinar outdoor scenes, and I'm going to do a hard set, Control F5 hard reset. So there it is. We have blog, home, blog, hiking, benefits, and about on our top menu. And then here's the rest of our pages. And then on the bottom menu, we have 3 now. We have the home, contact us, and the book appointment. So let's go back to Connect. We'll go back to Dashboard. And also, if you want to follow us on social media, you can find our social media at datasar.com. And if you want to follow us on Facebook, you can click on Facebook and like our Facebook page. That should be loading. Here it is. There's the like button on that. Then if you want to follow us on Instagram, you can click on the follow button on Instagram. So let's go back to Connect, and that's it. That's how to change the order of your website pages with Dataczar Connect.